From last year, average sales have decreased by minus 18%. However, the average price has increased by 18.3%. For Mississauga, the number of sales was 862 units. The average price, $1,037,972. The average selling price versus list price was 104%, and the average days on market was 19 days. For Brampton, the number of sales was 854 units. The average price, $1,072,986. The average selling price versus list price was 105%, and the average days on market was 13 days. For Oakville, the number of sales was 301 units. The average price, $1,488,753. The average selling price versus list price was 104%, and the average days on market was 16 days. For Milton, the number of sales was 174 units. The average price, $1,128,483. The average selling price versus list price was 107%, and the average days on market was 12 days. For Burlington, the number of units was 279. The average price, $1,084,181. The average selling price versus list price was 108%, and the average days on market was 14 days. Thanks for watching this month's monthly market report. If you or someone you know is planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months, give us a call, 905-334-5883, and let us share with you why now might be the best time for you to make a move.